So if you are really interested to know the name of this place जहाँ पे हमने recently visit किया था just to celebrate our first anniversary of our marriage. So इसे जानने के लिए देखते रहिए आप पूरी videos and let me share where it was. Alright, so this is the garden called Hauz Khas Village Deer Park, which is very famous for many things. So there is no entry fee to visit this deer park. And if I talk about availability of guides, so relax people, there are no guides required for this place. All the signs boards are self-explanatory. आप देख सकते हो ये English और हिंदी दोनों में written है. And this place is very easy to navigate through the workers because they are really helpful. अगर आप कहीं struggle करते हो to find out specific things, you can just take help of them. They will be available in most of the time, in most of the places. अब हम बात करते हैं कि इस पार्क को हमने क्यों सेलेक्ट किया फॉर दिस स्पेशल मोमेंट. बेसिकली दिस इज पॉपुलरली रेफर्ड टू एज द लंग्स ऑफ दिल्ली. आप देख सकते हो जो ग्रीनरी है, राइट? इट्स रियली टेम्पटिंग पीपल, बिलीव मी, because it is the heaven especially for the bored city dwellers like us. It is one of the best place which your children, family, your spouse, your partner will definitely ask you to take them there again. यहाँ अपने डेस्टिनेशन को फॉलो करते हुए, बिकॉज हमने सुना है यहाँ पे एक झील मीन्स लेक इज वेरी 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 पॉपुलर. सो लेट्स सी जो हमने सुना है वो हमें मिलता भी है या नहीं. और हम अपनी मंजिल की तरफ बढ़ते हुए ये वी कैन सी दैट फाइनली इस धूप में हमें कुछ राहत भरी चीज़ देखने को मिल रही है. वाओ, दिस इज सो अमेजिंग, रियली, लाइक सीरियसली. फर्स्ट greenery and second this lake, you know, सोने पे सुहागा, exactly. Okay, चलो हम देखते हैं ये कहाँ तक है. Wow, this is really amazing. There are many fountains as well. Wow, and this is really incredible because in Delhi it is very rare to find or to see such amazing places.
हमारी एक नन्ही सी प्यारी सी सुंदर सी गिलहरी है.
So you can eat also nearby to this place, this park, which is located in Hauz Khas. Now you must be surprised, ये out of greenery historical places कहाँ से आ रहा है, right? Oh, we were also surprised actually. It's really amazing if you see, and for me, what I can think कि ये दो पार्ट में divided है somewhere. So first part is like kind of historical. It is attached, but yes, it has different entry gate. अगर आपको इस पोर्शन में विजिट करना है देन आपको फर्स्ट आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा, और अगर आपको ग्रीनरी एक्सप्लोर करना है फर्स्ट देन यू हैव टू विजिट ऑन द first gate which comes first. Okay, hold on, I'll share what I'm doing here. But before that let me share something which we did here.
So ये एक बहुत सीक्रेट जगह है जहाँ से हम अभी जा रहे हैं. खतरों के खिलाड़ी. Oh my god.
Okay, so we identified this place because हमें कोई दूसरा रूट नहीं पता था, बट डोंट डिस्कवर दिस रूट पीपल बिकॉज दिस इज़ क्वाइट डेंजरस. ओके, हियर इज़ द ओवरव्यू जो आप काइंड ऑफ टेस्ट से देख सकते हो. ओवरऑल आप सीन enjoy कर सकते हो. Now let's talk about things which you can do here. Okay, so you can take an early morning jogging there. You can spend time with your family members, your partner. You can plan also picnic because it has really interesting view to cover. Oh, I'll share my pictures as well. The pictures which I click because it has many pictures. Both you can see. It's interesting. Let me share a few pictures here. Before I share my pictures, why don't you enjoy this view first? Yay! Alright, जब तक आप ये देख रहे हो, let me share. So I'll add a few pictures, or don't forget to add in the comment box which one was your favorite picture. And of course, you can have the look on some poses which we had. So let me attach it first. Also, you can enjoy the scene beauty of the park with your family, or of course this charming place as well. Can you see that? And yes, I remember my husband just did workout since he is very crazy for these stuffs. I'll share the link for it. Okay, you can just explore how did he do that. And here is the side plan. Quite late, but yes, I found it as well, so you can explore it by clicking the picture. And this is how we are done with it. So overall, it was a wonderful outing and a place to hang out with my husband. Thank you.